Yenda 界颠簸大河一别个下界家国皆拉上色功德当波上者推些念天那一些所念大作欲得天法家贤着我因业者皆拉大别颠簸他那天天得以地天念拉拉有界大些者律安心念拉摩正身特色虚观觉拉上座大外就作小界佛陀家者地界天chúa念传者一生念界上座也能多点么也千也也芒嘎达那就萨的结我结我结那萨结涅达涅巴结拉上座罗尼提提多tham巴夏瓦卡那玛多婆诃萨摩耶婆诃天阿拉提巴耶迦毗罗汉揭拉上座阔耶夏瓦尼摩灭耶尼舍尼须别阿拉须尼这别南摩日特尼罗列他特修月来上座罗特别上者可巴云念那耶罗特他的罗学的卡瓦耶天天天他者所见就念别拉上座罗陀玛尼别巴别耶者玛嘎他耶传者须觉这觉玛呀念巴所见那传者所别拉上座罗俱见罗拉念的心念瓦拉那些拉索尼切的西者波罗波涅的见天瓦斯兰耶界上座耶者高瓦念巴他见念摩揭天瓦居多耶者所可摩一个样的念特瓦耶利迦拉上座西巴斯那边灭耶界就念着耶说着天波殿拉面罗瓦格修拉切天瓦提瓦揭拉上座列罗提那提拉格耶舍萨舍智勒萨觉萨摩舍灭罗切大别罗切仰面高安揭拉上座约达涅的尼瓦灭者玛罗世界塞那多西耶耶的那律天摩耶世界揭拉上座国的摩尼多瓦揭多揭他揭的那多瓦的摩尼那那耶耶的那出者耶耶给我揭拉上座罗芒波嘎耶拉耶利尼者迦毗罗耶色耶耶兰波那耶三德多瓦耶就耶拉耶拉拉上座罗呀耶波的阿玛玛耶切迦耶智的耶尼罗耶切迦尼色所耶罗巴耶切色去灭格拉上座罗中耶波耶有耶色变尼这耶芒多智的迦耶耶连罗的他 Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
给为了遵循，里边的他大南阳全军民别，他们这对不起，下都给你哈张起，也干什么事情？可见呐。
Lama namla chamzelo jewe sirop kunchi nimbode chise tamba namchi ngapelam kide tortu namchi jungote chitor neshu daki shepacha honda sepi de la machashi tejor tuyo jachur sambayi jawa chibelam la indepe kide tita tongwi jinyo nanda nijo mepa sensoyi tejor tu neshiwe tomela sila kamba ijani jina kune chenjo tomar ni jonte te joni ka tila lo mepa ila kumbe tete na shido lenje me lo ko e dungena ya sana chi me no shido te to kumbe kore kunzola ime kichi tomya mi ji je ni ze kunde to bo ti ni lo chona ti tong ye jon chi pala ni jo ti ona da sim chi chi se ba me na la me chon chu chi punzo di vi jero me jerwe lo de na chi chon chu sin chu chi shu cha chu shi e chi chi chi都咖喱鸡七八东北东，当天家鸡脚也不是吃，马日没被马鸡苦年吃，妹妹是被这些酒啊人，东那是姐姐姐妹本呢，你讲提家脚被马东西，俺这说的先叫几辈子，你路都被写了名的呢，你就出去谁拿工具中，是比早啊就不明了呗，的确自己都被偷不了呗，我些口子去那趟去去，真正那样路还没东西，你比的是我也可惜吧，天天送去几杯那那些。弄阿的这路阿没巴多，东北去年周围过阿哩，其实是说弄阿的是的，大多东北过巴多巴没，那热的就没被拒绝的，等着没了通阿这年的，你是也就真的可惜呐，提前到位结巴做巴啦，这样那我也到是话东北没到事情都巴你，这种结果确实是些呐，他是到位超半明着了。这这两只做那自己，你那样给自信都彼此，为把真的真正的去，真正的马上就去学不，这些呢。
现在新弄了不少钱。我老说的那里，很多现在才把主席。大家就干嘛现在对吧？我当了当，我把这个上给吧，过年人在那个这些送上的这些，结果在这里啊，给你北京那个北京那边去做靠就是他自己的那样子的咱们是个当，成品。这里面做什么？反正我们这些所有国际是吧？良心，我是哪里打土个当，这个工人都做排排，然后从古早进去，我们就是做当，大良心的，上些的是把教养生产的，人家被这个不见，大良心的，农学的是吧的，抗到三个。没把它推给，上这个来说他供了百把些来，说他们去说，最来在那个做的好的，做做眼睛然后东西拉是吧？当然是加钱的，天天没么那么长呢，他们家里从这里收入，这样。那在这里搞呀，乡里搞呀，刚才去送过来些，那么就国际学校都，这那么些那个在这个写出来就我把这个当写在这个刚样没了的，那应该要大家马上上去，这个绕路线的刚刚施工些，就是往这徐百英啦，过去个什么升级新的设备叫做解决电脑量。让你那一定是的网速用了升级式的过程，升级式的用了箱子过程，箱子原来是的用个来着，箱子买回来差不多当人生是当往来呢，小当就看到真相，现在必须用到买，升级式的呢，那是正常情况，必须当人的接受。 그리고 시차를 어디 성이 받아. 근데 이거는 그냥 저다 저도 저한테 상승을 투기해 말이. 내가 말하면서 딱 저런 거 생게 아주 저기를 패네. 너무 되게 진짜 뭔가 심하네. 내가 남북이 가사칼이야 상지 이게 따로 세네면도 남수 세네면도 대대 대형들이 주로 만져봐 주의 그냥 해봐도 만에 꿈이야 아니 주문도 주게 아니 상대세지 따로 세배네 아메리카 나서 봐 아니 시제 뭔가 뭔지 말이야这个好像的一个贴不等不说呢，属于呢这个中间的这个相对中间是没大事，跟我们说的一般。第一种呢，就咱们我们西北党，上半年我们这边的搞的是呢，就我咱们这边的中间一种呢，俺们中间么子呢？中间的就写给嘛，希望没有说的嘛。대외 주주비 말이야. 대시다 두산데 아니 샴바 니지 화상 장대 세선스 너무 저런 이제 아니 줄 규모야 지들이 해야 되는데 아니 그거 고쳐 버려야 something 돼 말이야. 대형 모든 지리 배발이야. 아니 저দের 대시 좀 말이야. 아니 지리 샴바도 세워야 있나? 상반대 대화에서 이게 누가를 때문에 천성 마음이 말이나요? 아니 청진용대 대화사도 저대 지리야. 다른 이제 중과 전쟁이 말이나 소설함이 상대의 대화이나 매달아가고 제대. 다들 나서 오히려 내가 통진이 말이야. 이거는 너무 상대세에 다시고 계시면 이마대 아니 온라인 채팅에 계시면 되겠어. 아무 처음에 저배 남바 유니나 저배니 거기에 나다더니 매자 있는다. 매자 보면 쓰이 많이 나요. 아무튼 그 기치슈에 주변으로 나오죠. 근데 지리야 뭔가 하는데 상대세들이야 더는 내는 아마도 되게 잘해 되게 다른 것도 다른 거는 아마 시도 논이야 아니 상대 풍에 잘하는 거예요. 다이나요 상대세들이 거기 상부 주요 관계가 하도 그래. 내가 가만히다 보고 봐야나요. 지리야 상대가 있나? 가만히 저당 보고는 상대 아니 그 대바이나 보고대 파마리아 가는 파마대 상대대 보고대 상대는 당면은 보고대 파마니 이게 저와대 다다리 되게 되는 거예요. 그래서 통제수에 말이에요. 상황이 되게 말하자니 동해나 전도다 대화도 전도의 상황에 저당을 수치바이나 아니 penji 청비 영토야다 지리 유지하게 내가 도사대 상대의 도리 요바대 아니 당원 문제 가양의 양대 나와다 아니 제일 소라 담제는 그 공대에 될 도리가 받아 어떤 데가 지금 하는 원들이 통일했으니 다리 사제 마동까지 수주대장에 상을 주시기
양군 여행 못함제 진진 해바친 초 원정 우리 당하는 최대 잠대 로당사 든지 라는 것도 든지 옆지라냐 빠르는지 초 옆지 메토르지 초 예외신이 나버서당 니데네 미마용당 니치게 지구된 나버상마를 타 자세 감지되시되 근데 이제 시스템들하고 시대 거를 이제 시행을 저희 같은 패서 되는 공부하시는 게 나와서 제가 이제 신경 뭐 이제 서도 시대 거를 시행하여 근데 이제 대당 딱다라는 거 오늘 대회 때 하고 되셔 이제 단지 공부만 나오지 마고 쉬어야 되나 이제 시험을送的 즉 때문에 사제 마동 선택 가제 지수기就是说当面你走学题拿选出来然后这个种种拿选出来在世界大家这个送法工作这个龙年前呢这个时代在做这个生活的跟过来给做的时代的来这国家的可以程度大家送啊这相当差不多人生这种的你就能把我们嘛这边忙过去做的这相当差不多这下因为相当是要的这个这甚至嘛相当接触呢那什么就有嘛这个在时代在考不说的这马上做这简单车就相当马上给没得就有嘛这相当浪的因为相当的有不什么人家的那我听这个面昨天做的这些这个什么样的肯定最多肯定有什么人家这边那的属于的当来呀的这个就是全部当什么都可以买公司也就弄相关这儿不前提这份通知不前是吧苦小忙的动力等你调整的那了公众家庭是没可单纯基本上把通电声个不是进去看到空间时不把充嘛得样子上的等你这些知道大体对那个人间个都是7%少了的7%啊这啦等于是出这个高级品牌开了这里边的那了他已经到了出个送个菜跟我同学人生去这样去动那你这边没多少不钱说不然不钱也你见到能把东西有能把充满了你充满我们去中秋见到能把东可能产品钱能把用的长期在现在的些人亲密就让的接送起等待送个但是说的大概的俺在这个气候都这里知道俺带的没有啥的不看我空间听个跑出现是我们家就香港人就弄人就偷些古那生去炒的圈呢顿把他们我们接受就的真的是个落地上的这个是呢就顿把推荐健康送给了要求你得用看见用得你没事这个你在他们都当然容个拍呀容个弄嘛容个驱动这种些去有人做完了今天得了带你我是靠了工钱些呢不就弄等去些去顺便这么也不送去多久这里就都送的时候匆忙是慢慢慢去吧刚刚就出国全部人了出国这几天吧一节期不看了工钱这种数重的顿把个人经济俺一顿把的兄弟兄弟大送把农经济关键讲了当把农经顿不个这么没把的定送看了工钱这种事这类这种就弄出生充满的慢慢慢去大到不到不充满有把的我想将来当把农去各种程度这样呢俺用这类这种如果没这个钱些用呢对吧了敢看这种都看了没敢看这种这穷的这希望我们不晓得的这俺来这这些这感觉只用你都那的感觉怕这自己太皮做不是的
Johnson tela tani tumban di gola yuzi tumban di Johnson konda di yela tata kon namban song jare yiten di tola jaran pop yota nga chu tata mno yin chenjik jasi tamba ji chong de jere judo jikten thomo guluk da bina tepa ko ram do tong yona nong ji tana la ji yepa manda ba yo chong tepa jere judo ji member zina yo chok ji nian tu do ronja la so pa ko ji so so ta ji sun rong ni hyu ga na dok che ko ton ba karan chen te nga chu nong yin ji ji jere judo ji yul ku sha so dre yong ji chen ji jar se sun thong dong bo ka ta tene jere judo jar sa pon thar chong chi chok tu ye de song ji na ji chulu yang ke ba nong jim ji mi tu ju ju ni ji nian lo tong ji de jo la su bu jing gao ji de da ma yin ba ji su su xie wo ji su su xie wo jar se ji chong ni zong de ta na ma song ji ma song ba nga chu nong jim ji de la cho yo ba na kong gu lo ji na chong xi pu tu ni da za la ma zo par mo chen re me to mo ji kong nam ba ni song song ji kong la rong shong ki tu la yang ba to ze ba yan pen la ji le ju to fa sam khur ji la dan da ji de dong tan ni lo ta ma ka reng la nga chu no no chen ji ki chong xi pu tu ni lo ga chong ni de ni lo rom chen bu tai xiang yong ju ji den di tu na lo yong de ya ru tuan de chuk ji la de ngo pa ta yang na yong kong ki tu la nga chu no chen chen ji Korp ning da na kan de wa che ga nan chi du na ka kan ren du sam ne to ma chen bo ji zu ni ya se tong chi no mo chong ma de pong ni tu yu ji xiao ba jong chen ni chen me ba ra de xiong de ro ji pa la sam lo ma tong ne de ne che ji do ka ba no chu ku ni xie de ta mo ma song ji me li chuk de che ba la ya la se su de da wa ji min mo na chuk che ba ji tanda ku tun ba karan chen chi nga so che ju do jagan pha pha yala thong ni de kap sa la yu chulu rimman dam na so mombo yo le na shano ku chulu ron so so ka chi tar bur dam na so yo do yan na yo de no la sangi jak jak kare re se na thong den lama song ki che ju do tombu den ba jo dong dai ji ma to pa chulu la so pa ti संगी सोंग ता बते ड्रॉ यों दु यें जी रि दमा नासो को चुलु ते दा सोम सर जी न नि दे माथ पतन रा जी तें खम ता न छब यो पा फोंग की कसे शुरू ला यम जो जी त कांडी श्याम बा रे जे बा रे नि जी रे श्याम जे तो नि जी के看了嘛了फोंग की सोंग जी को फोंग ते थोक ती सोंग ने नि छु ju bom bo je ti je tong te dan li song yo na Deso la xiu gu zi gi jin sen jie re na deri chi pa juan la yo jin ki pa nam ji ye lu man da wa yo chung chi pa juan la la ko tang bu tu shen de tor bu tu shen ngom ba song ji pa to jie re ju de yang an di tu shin chi pa jin ji de ta ta ko nam bi je cha so den da yang na yo ti ko la sam lo to na tun ba ka ren chen de la ji den ji bu chi ta nga zu bu ji nong ten ki deri ji bu ka wa kong chen ki 지금 군바 소소레 로가 소소레 너무 소소 지 까로 게르리지 덕도 덕염 바스터링이 되지 대도 총마팅 휴지 지 캔들 미 휴구지 전생 가리잖아 나수 떤바 까란체 세구지 전생 가리잖아 향바통 세와 된다지나 투두르 다 다탄다지나 나수 지레지도 카와 공천도 소놈 삼지마샤도 체위 온기 또연 부자석 다다 제레도 공 몸보 같은 데서 두랍 예지 그 뚫바 친 보세요. 잠부 링디 통나 히디 대본 친 보세요. 여러분 보첸기 콩기 제레도 당자 간들 농비오르잖아. 추르 소마테 찬탄 탄저 구커 머리끈 탄저 단도 롱롱 소수께 또 리용라서 봐 야기 또 티쳐 미스 체프라진 나츠 보이지 못해 제레도 지금 다다라 제레도 벨점 보죠 nomba han soso gen setan tani song ne de gen setan lo kong ke jere ju do den di tong ta par song shao li de nong ji de lang tu ji chi hin ta ba ni ji tong jun ta ni jere ju do xie ju ga chen ji yu nga zo bo ji nong ten chu lu da la lo ju da ma so mo bo ji tong song nga chong chong de dong bo dong bo lo ji xie当把公嘛呢，干脆就去年呢，这把干脆就送的，人们就是这个单把兄弟，兄弟强的吧，空能把个逻辑的人通了，啊这上的单把接生的，用那用拉门程度，这个就是拉门那是的难的，我做不了当别去了，拉嘛不能谁就，拉嘛人把了，不用人把用就那个，这个知道，这个。不就弄点的，对吧？他我们研究去，看这人那上的唱的老久了。我说这段时间呢，这个大做法人不前去，多少行动，都们上头拉送法的送啊，对农业去，这个把了行动，上头俺家，全部那说设置的那里弄了，春夏土呢。这个给这个说老就忙不有了，别说忙我把这打明看来，当然了，单正的希望那边研究我们这个土壤弄的，别的俺这不的怎么这个对不研究上，这个知道这俺说了，咱这研究啊，你这不那么的，大半年呢，但把习惯了，但把怎么买的研究，这不俺这不了研究买的，但那有不个，俺说北京的那了。我们才要吃西进的那有的人，我们各方有的，我们没得有的人。对农业经我送不去到利用，多么松着的，你要是来出手的人，有那大单的那别人的那了，俺说这里是不接农单，那这里是直接性的这收入娘的说呢，12块钱送得了，这里是等送俺说12也就没人到了，咱们开发工钱，我们才要做。人生充满了有种路线的说话的时候，干的上的说话的时候，你到了也把接着了，空气也把有种路个直接性的这个，比出充满的了，这个事情呢，咱样的土呢，日常的那样嘛多，我给路呀，我感觉呀，我隐瞒，我实现是所有嘛的，现在人们但把空不上流的，咱们有的地方是的人。不就弄点个那么开心的，不就弄点嘛在学的嘛是的，专门的送的同样同的，我嘛老就忙不过去了，天哪是的真的，你我嘛用吃家的嘛都嘛是不呢，我族群不把是天弄的有了这，干脆点的就那大几个嘛有了这，天弄了常常的送呢，融说是那么多融说是出几个过了这个呢。养了他把有什么上的业务就是，但人家呢那个他逐渐送个那么多，逐渐送个去就，但是我你他就那么头发中，他严肃了就哎呦那送的去了，没真的这钱呢，没种人不打我们还说了打你，对着我们的，俺可能不管弄了着用，这把这些钱就是没保有了的，我们把这人不钱，空个光买了这些就能着用的这。常常呢，严格不就去了，这个呢，农业娘们说这样呢，给下去就下社会都马路一些去了，下马路一些是呢，都下车孩子呢，动不了。这让我讲呢，这个门头啊，农把送去把这个那么多摘哇没做，农把送去那么多摘哇这个给这个人呢，你就点对头了，就得看的是正规的。东把土地讲了下去干的，对眼睛们就土上就弄不起，谁能学这样？对干铁锈那就有，等切不是对的呢，让里些地切，人们单本就不忙送多啊，等于说都人们单本就不忙为嘛多，人有单本就不忙送多，等于呢土地切，人们单本就是样的，俺做大边疆本的呢，处理就是对处理就是这样的，别要不然俺们在那等着拍起。无论你怎么学怎么看了看这样，都对那么做法人不钱，那么干多人不钱，去说的被要不清楚，干人不钱等等，真的，这就是干的不怕我不累， 된 주소 몸보리 딱 다타지리도 주소 섭섭 몸보 줄리 딱 맞은 데나 범 사약하지 범 세나 동적 가시는 천년라 정도 할리바리 마음발라 나서 보고 총만라 뒤집한 잠터지 지존이 치아 총만 땡점 미스가 땡점 기부도 계시도 라마노비 투자노데 지요 찬텀도 구컬 던리즈나 그 자와르도 챙기 되는 지지 샤시노니 샤시요 그때에서부요 물라타니 네 샤시도요 물라타니 자텐 리믹 템바 자총 페소 존이 콜라 롱기 추주도 롱기 라마테 삼로 똥니 예랑 초독동 서서 뭐 슈제니 되는잖아 영무지 용지만 때가 투자노 치스 제지요
His Eminences Padre Rinpoche, Meto Rinpoche, Soba Rinpoche, Venerable Geshe-Tsedela, and members of the Sangha, representatives of different associations, dear Dharma friends, and fellow Tibetans. It is a great honor and privilege for me to address this prayer meet today to celebrate the Global Year of Compassion in honor of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 90th birth anniversary. At the outset, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Geshe-Tsedela, participating Tibetan Buddhist centers and supporters whose dedication and hard work have made this wonderful event possible. Before I move further, I've been asked by our dear friend Carlo Loix, President of the Belgian Buddhist Association, Vice President of the European Buddhist Association, who could not make it here today because his car broke down just before coming here. So he has asked me to convey his apologies to everyone and especially to Geshe-Tsedela. So I've been asked to read out His Holiness's message that is in Tibetan and then later say a few words on World Peace. So the message from His Holiness goes as follows. The Belgian Tibetan Buddhist community has organized a year-long program focused on love and compassion to mark my 90th birthday. As part of this, they plan to hold a large prayer gathering for world peace and for the growth of non-sectarian Buddhist teachings. During the prayer sessions, recitations will include the Sutra of Recollection of the Three Jewels, the mantra of the Buddha, supplications to the learned and accomplished masters, the Lama Chöpa, the Samanta Vadra aspiration prayer, and prayers for the flourishing of non-sectarian teachings. These texts will be printed and distributed. In addition, stages of meditation practice have also been arranged. I express my appreciation and praise for these efforts. Tshete Phuntsholwa, a former senior member of Kaze Monastery, former Tibetan political prisoner, has worked with great dedication to organize this event. His efforts to bring together all Tibetan traditions for a joint prayer gathering are highly commendable. In conclusion, I offer prayers that this non-sectarian world peace prayer gathering may proceed without obstacles. Through its power, may the world at large, and especially the land of Tibet, be free from disease, famine, conflict, hailstorms, and natural disasters. May all beings live with the wealth of Dharma, prosperity, happiness, and well-being. And may the truth of Tibet's freedom be realized soon. The appreciation letter is sent by His Holiness the Dalai Lama on the 23rd day of the second month of the fire horse year in the 17th Rajun cycle corresponding to April 10th, 2026. His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So now I've been asked to say a few words on world peace, in addition to what has already been said by His Eminence Pajaro Rinpoche. So we live today in a world marked by conflict, division, and uncertainty. His Holiness continues to remind us that world peace begins with inner peace. He teaches us that peace cannot be achieved merely through political agreements or military strength. Genuine peace genuine and lasting peace arises when individuals cultivate compassion, kindness, and concern for others. And like Rinpoche already mentioned, His Holiness believes as human beings, we are all equal, and we all want to be happy, and we want to avoid suffering. So as a result, as human beings, we have this innate nature of compassion that is in us. And when we are a child, we do not make distinctions about our color, race, religion, or anything else. So, when you are able to cultivate inner peace, you make a happy family. And a happy family contributes to becoming a happy society. And that happy society contributes to world peace. So His Holiness believes that all human beings share the fundamental wish to be happy. But sometimes we tend to forget that we live in a globalized world that is interconnected and interlinked, where the action of one person in this part of the continent can have impact on the other side of the continent. Let's take, for instance, the war in the Middle East right now. Who would have thought that war would have had consequences here in Belgium? But it did. Some people that I know of have lost their jobs because there are no more ships going through Iran. So that's why I think it is important in today's world, especially for world leaders and those taking decisions on our behalf, to think properly and not just think about the well-being of just oneself, but think broadly, because just like I said before, the action and the decision of one leader here can have consequences in other parts of the world. So problems and conflicts should be resolved through dialogue. His Holiness believes that the 21st century should be a century of peace. In all times, people fought wars. And even if we look at Europe, since the Second World War, it has made immense progress in terms of material development. It is true, material development do bring certain level of comfort, but if there is no inner peace, outer material development will not help to procure inner peace. So that is why His Holiness emphasizes time and again that we must cultivate inner peace. His Holiness also believes that education plays a crucial role in creating a peaceful world. That is why His Holiness also has worked with Emory University in the United States, and which has come up with a curriculum for children from age 0 to university level, which is called C-learning, social, emotional, and ethical learning. Because His Holiness feels that at present, the education system is too much focused on achieving material success. So His Holiness believes it is important for us to also focus, as much as we focus on academic excellence, it is important for us also to focus on our mind and the cultivating of inner peace, and to teach our children empathy and compassion within their classrooms. So I think each one of us do have the key to inner peace. And thereby, each one of you, or even myself, even though we may not be a world leader, but at our own level, by creating or by cultivating inner peace, we indirectly contribute to world peace. And I think His Holiness is one of the rare spiritual leaders who calls for respect for all religions. And His Holiness makes it a priority when he travels that he meets different leaders of other religions. So His Holiness says that whether you are a Buddhist, you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, or you're a non-believer, what is important is that you should respect all religion and also the non-believers. Because fundamentally, all major religions of the world calls for love, compassion, and tolerance. The fundamental message is the same, although there may be differences in their practice and the theory and in the logic, but fundamentally the message the major religions carry is the same for all. So that is why I think as we celebrate this year of compassion, I urge each and every one of you to go back home and practice it within your family. I'm sure you do it, but then you just think about it, and everything will make sense. So when you cultivate compassion and tolerance and forgiveness, there will be no wars, because many of the conflicts that we see today arises from narrow-minded thinking, because we often feel that my country is better than yours. So that is not how we should look at things. We should be looking at things holistically and more broadly. And if we do that, there will be no wars, and we will be able to live peacefully once and for all. So, as we come to perhaps the end of this morning's prayer meet, I'd like to urge each and every one of you to take this simple message. You have the key to your own happiness. So when you react someone that attacks you or someone that says something not very nice about you, you are giving that key that you have to your happiness to the other person's hand. So you have to reflect when someone says something to you, whether you want to give that key to that person, or you want to own that key to yourself and build a happy life for yourself. So I think fundamentally and finally, I think world peace is connected to inner peace of each one of us that is in this room and each individual. So each of us can contribute to a peaceful world. So that is something that we should really remember every time there is a crisis or there is some sort of argument that you may have with your neighbor, your friends, or your colleagues at your job. So I think what His Holiness has been teaching us for 9 decades is compassion, tolerance, and forgiveness. So if you look at the Tibetan people under the guidance of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, despite having to go through so much tragedy in our homeland, we are willing to talk to the Chinese and find a mutually acceptable solution to the Sino-Tibet conflict. I think this reflects the message that His Holiness has been teaching us throughout his life. And I'm very pleased that all of you have come together today to celebrate a man, a spiritual and extraordinary spiritual leader of our time, who embodies really compassion, tolerance, forgiveness, religious among different traditions. I really cannot think of any other leader at this particular moment in time who embodies compassion like His Holiness does, and who commands so much respect from people across the world. So I'm very grateful that I've been able to come here today. I'd like to thank Gishitela for the invitation, and for all of you for being here. Thank you very much, and have a nice afternoon.